Hi people, this side Aanshuleka Sony with my YouTube channel, and as you know I share videos on law. So today the video is based on that. So the topic is call recording. So what is call recording? As you all know that if you are part of any conversation and you're recording that phone call, then it is known as phone call recording. So what is the question and what is important about this video? So the importance is that is call recording legal in India or not? So there is no such legislation or clear legislation in India for phone call recording, but what I have extracted from the law is that let's talk about if you are a participant of that phone call means अगर उस phone call के या conversation के आप part हैं और आप उसे record कर रहे हैं. So you do not require consent from first party or second party for recording that phone call. And if you are recording that phone call, if you are a participant or means if you are part of that phone call and you are recording that phone call, then it is not illegal. Please mark my word and please listen it carefully. If you are the participant of that phone call and you're recording that phone call, then it is not illegal. Yeah. Now, what is the thumb rule that you should follow, and no one can pinpoint you that you are doing a wrong thing? So follow the thumb rule that please do take consent. If you are a part of that phone call, please do take consent that I'm recording this phone call for good purpose, as a proof or as a some evidence that in future something happens, then this could help us in proving that. So this is the thumb rule that you should follow, so no one can claim that you are doing it for wrong purpose, or someone can blame you in future that you have used this phone call for a wrong purpose to defame someone or blackmail someone. So it is advisable that is still you are participant of that phone call, please do take consent, because this is something private and this is uh, something very personal that you are doing. Now, what is illegal if you are recording a phone call? Now, if you are not a participant of that phone call and you are still recording that phone call, then something that is an offense that you are doing if you are not taking consent from first party or second party. Now I have told you that if you are a participant of that phone call and you are recording that phone call, then this is not an offense, it is not illegal. But now what I am saying is that if you are not the participant of that phone call and you are recording that phone call through any device and you are not taking the consent from first party or second party, then you are committing an offense. So these are two different things that I am talking, when you are a participant and when you are not a participant. If you are a participant of that phone call and you are recording that phone call without taking consent, then it is not illegal. And if you are not a participant of that phone call and you are recording that phone call without taking the permission from the first party or the second party from any device, then it is offensible, means that is illegal. So these are two things, two condition that I am telling you, and you have to follow that thing, that if you are a participant of a phone call and you are recording that phone call and you have not taken consent from the parties that you are recording that phone call, it is not illegal. But if you are not a participant of that phone call and you are recording that phone call without taking the permission of the parties, then it is an offense and you are liable for that offense. अब ये offense क्यों कहलाता है? Because recording a phone call is a breach of privacy. If you are doing without the consent of a person and if you are not a part of that and still you are recording that phone call from a device and you have not taken any permission from the first party or the second party, then you are breaching their privacy. And you, as we all know that in article 21 of our Indian constitution, and it is a fundamental right, that the right to privacy is a fundamental right and you cannot breach someone's privacy. For that you have to take permission. That's why I have told you that you have to follow the thumb rule no one can claim that you have committed an offense. So this thumb rule will help you to safeguard yourself. And sometimes we record phone call for a proper purpose, like we use it as a evidence or a proof to prove something that is happening. Okay. And sometimes these phone call recording is used as for not so good purpose, means for bad purpose also, like to defame someone or to blackmail someone. So this was the important update on my channel Legacy of Law. Please do like the video. If you like the video, please click on like button and do share the video. This is an important video, so do share. Thank you.